especially to you, ma'am. I am Rodby Comento. I discuss my assigned topic, chapter 4 types of speech, lesson 1 type of speech according to preparation and delivery. What is memorized speaking? Memorized speaking is the rote recitation of a written message that the speaker has committed to memory. Actors, of course, recite from memory whenever they perform from a script in a stage play, television program, or movie scene. When it's come to speech, memorization can be useful when the message need to be exact and the speaker doesn't want to be confined by notes. Ang memorized speaking di ay mao ang paghatag og mensahe nga i-memorize na daan o sabutan na sa magbabasa. For example, igamit kini sa mga actors o mga television program, mga movie scene, mga nag-speech bitaw. Memorized speaking di ay makatabang kung gusto sa magpulong nga tukma o klaro ang ilang gimensahe. Thank you, ma'am.